Hello fellow coders, my name is Yash and you're watching Be Human. In today's video, I'm going to showcase the BHM roadmap for AI engineering. So this might be one of the most requested video on my channel. I got a lot of comments and guys, you asked for it, I delivered. And not just a roadmap video, I literally made a website. So if you go and search for roadmap.behumry.com, you'll find the roadmap there. This is a 12 chapter to AI engineering. There is a lot of good things. I have tried to make this pretty clean and you can also track your progress over there. So you can see there is an overview on the top of it. You can click on these and you can go to any section. So for example, if you click on harness engineering, I will go to this. All the chapters are listed below. You can scroll through this also. If I go to this production, these are the chapters. Click on it, you will go inside the chapter. And if you click on these, complete the topics and you will see the progress bar filling in. So yeah, it is pretty extensive, and in this video I wanted to cover like what this roadmap is all about, why I made this, how you should use this. So first question, in my previous videos also, a lot of people have asked me that please recommend me a roadmap or make a roadmap. And I have always given you roadmap.sh AI engineering roadmap. I gave that roadmap because I also used it. Personally, I have used it for my interview preparations and my job also. I have went there and looked at a lot of topics and, just to read about them. So if that roadmap is so good and even I have used it, then why I'm making a new one and why I'm recommending this. So this roadmap is I recommend this only for people who are transitioning into AI engineering and want to learn each and everything from the basics. And with AI engineering, I mean generative AI engineering, the AI engineering going on right now. And if you are a fourth year or third year college student or a fresher inside a AI engineering role, I would recommend this to you guys. If you are a seasoned AI engineer working in this field for like 2-3 years or 5 years, this is not the roadmap for you. So after clearing like who is this roadmap for, let's get an overview. So if you go inside this roadmap.behumry.com, you will find that 12 chapters to AI engineering. And guys, it is interview tested and I have put in a lot of work to make this website good. The recommended way to use this roadmap is on the desktop. But if you don't have a desktop, feel free to use a mobile phone also or a tablet, whatever works. So if you come down from the hero section, you will find a percentage thing over here. So these percentage shows you how much you have completed the roadmap. And there are a total 121 topics. I know this might feel a lot, overwhelming, but I would say, trust me, these topics, some of them are very small and some of them are very, intuitive. So you can just complete one chapter at a time also. If you scroll down, you will find the roadmap overview section. And here you can see all the blocks. So there are total 5 blocks. The block 0 is this video, roadmap overview. If you see these 5 blocks, these are different types of, domains basically. So if you see controlling LLM behavior, production, LLM basics, harness engineering, safety and ethics. So these are all major domains we need to study while we are looking for AI engineering. And each has chapters associated to them. So I hope this makes the overview section is to just, give you a bird's eye view what we are going to cover and how we are going to cover. And also, before you start, I have mentioned it here also, you need to learn Python. I will recommend you guys that Code with Mosh or Code with Harry's Python course is pretty good. I have personally used the Mosh one, so I like that. Another thing I would recommend is basic front-end plus back-end fundamentals. I just don't want folks to be confused with the wording. So it is recommended to get some experience. Okay, so this was the overview and this was before you start. So few points I want to cover right now here itself. I have seen a lot of people say that you need to learn about core fundamental ML engineering and AI engineering. Like how does, neural networks works. But I wouldn't recommend them now. I'm not saying that those things are not required. Those are absolutely necessary, but not at this level. I would say these are, icing on the cake. Those are very necessary when you become professional for like 2 years or 3 years. You must learn and go, to optimize your processes and things. But when you're thinking about a fresher role or a entry level role in this domain, I don't think that you need to, go and learn ML like TensorFlow or some kind of package like that. For particularly Gen AI engineering role, I want this to be very clear that I'm not saying those are not required. Those are not required for this level. When you grow up, learn them. So now let's go inside one of the chapters. So for example, this is like the block 0. You are going to start from here. This is the video AI engineering map overview. But yeah, if you go to the block 1 and chapter 2, you will find that these are the topics. You can go here and you will see a heading here that video is in production. So yes guys, with this I'll also be making videos for each chapter. I don't know if a chapter is too big, I will divide it into 2 videos. But as soon as I make those videos, I'll put the videos link over here and also on this channel. So you can follow me for that also. So subscribe and like, please. And another beautiful thing which I also faced was that whatever I am learning, is this even relevant? So yes guys, I have also added interview questions from the actual interviews. We will also guys, I have also included interview and guys, I'm not saying that you need to wait for this. In my current schedule, I'm thinking every third video is going to be a roadmap video. But if you guys do 1000 likes on this video, I'll make them one by one, okay? But right now, for the strategy, I'm thinking of this channel also. Every third video is going to be a roadmap video. But yeah, you can change that 1000 likes. I don't want you guys to be stuck. The whole purpose of making this website was that if someone is preparing now in this this July 2026, they can just go on the website. They can start taking the topics. There are a lot of free resources. There is a channel from IBM explaining a lot of these topics which I have listed here. So you can go search online and learn. And you don't need to wait for my particular videos, okay? Just learn, get a good job, get everything you want. The second thing I wanted to make sure is that this is just a theory. This is not enough to get you a job. So all of this is going to be asked in an interview. But to get that interview, you need to do projects also. So don't just, 50% theory and 50% is project. And if you are doing projects, you need to learn this jargon also. The projects and theory goes hand in hand, okay? So that is also something you should keep in mind. And yeah guys, this was the overview and this is the roadmap. Let me know if you have any feedback or any comments, or if you see any bugs also, or any topic that I might have missed. Please feel free to drop a comment on this video. I'll keep this roadmap.bhumri.com updated, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay fresh, be human.